Now, I would like to invite our next participant, Syed Mohammad Nakizadi from Varsak Model School, Peshawar. Kindly unmute your mic and share your valuable thoughts.
Respected audience and my dear fellows, a very pleasant morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am Syed Mohammad Nakizadi, a student of class 7 from Varsak Model School and College, Peshawar. Dear President, first of all, I am wholeheartedly grateful to you and the worthy jury members for giving me an opportunity to speak regarding a very burning issue. Together for Health, stand with science. It is not only a topic to be discussed, but a need and demand of the day. Dear audience, a healthy body always keeps a sharp mind. Therefore, a golden old saying tells us the formula of good health. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know, this is the age of science, scientific discoveries and parcel of our daily lifestyle. Actually, science is formulated by knowledge, backed by experiments. These experiences make us more capable and competent. Dear Madam, there is a famous saying, prevention is better than cure. Science tells us how to prevent disease by adopting healthy habits and a balanced diet. Science has also been inventing different ways and methods to treat diseases properly and effectively, including medicines, modern machinery, and surgical instruments to cure human disease from inside the body. Science also teaches us about plants and seeds and how useful they are for us. Best growing plant is the best solution to control pollution and hot weather. Dear participants, as the days are passing away, science is showing its increase in skill in the progress of human life, health, and our surroundings. So, it is very necessary for us to follow the instruction and scientific method to improve our lifestyle and health. At last but not least, I would like to give a few humble suggestions that how we can go together for health and stand with science. Number 1, avoid unhealthy diet. Number 2, avoid the overuse of mobile phone. Number 3, remember, early to bed, early to rise is the outstanding symbol of a good health. Number 4, use a balanced diet composed of proteins, carbohydrate, mineral, vitamin and calcium. Number 5, grow more plants. Number 6, seek a scientific approach for good health. Number 7, do not just study science, digest it and understand it. Number 8, most importantly, we need true scientists, not just degree holders. At the end, I am thankful to all of you for listening me so attentively and gently. May Allah bless all of us and our homeland Pakistan. Thank you.
Naki for your inspiring ideas and clear message.